Hello guys, RiderTech here, and today we are doing a follow-up of the quadlock saga. We have a new bike, and since we have a new bike, we will install a new quadlock. This one gave us a little fight because the delivery company was being an asshole and failed to deliver this for almost 2 weeks. But guys, so just a little disclaimer. I was talking about the delivery problems with this quadlock, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the quadlock support was on point with tracking my package. They provided all the support that I needed, but if you buy quadlock in Portugal, be advised that if the company that transports your stuff is GLS, they ship international also, but in Portugal, I have had problems with both my orders from quadlock. So be advised that if the company that is shipping your quadlock is GLS, you may have problems. That's just it. I just wanted to leave you guys with that info, and be warned. It finally came in, and we will do an install. First of all, the unboxing. Normal stuff. We have two sizes to put on the stem of the bike. One smaller, one a bigger one. We will soon check the usual stickers and some instructions. As you can see, the diameters over there, and this is very important. You need to ensure that this is what you have and not this for the stem bolts, because if you have this, you do not install this. Pretty straightforward, and let's just start to disassemble this. As you can see, they provided all the tools you need. As usual, quadlock is very good on this front, so just unbolt stuff and let's start. So you need to remove this bolt in order to slide this out, and then remove this cap here, and yes, and this will give you access to that bolt that controls this. This will contract and expand, and as you can see, it will tread for the bike. So let's check. Okay, so let's go to the bike and check the diameter, which one we should use. So here we are at the bike, and this is too thick, and it will be the little one, as I assumed it would be. And as you can see, there's no lip on the bolts. Okay, so let's just check. Okay, you should align with the slots. Okay, so this should be aligned, all aligned. as you can see, it will do this. Just so you guys can see. It will expand slowly, and we almost tighten it too much for it to go inside. Okay, so tighten it a little bit. We have the anti-vibration that we should mount like so, I believe. They provide any answers? No, but I believe it should be like this. So let's loosen this up. Sounds good. And then let's put the little tab, remove it, and I think I will do it like this, and then we will check. Let's align it. Yeah. So these parts you can tighten as you wish, and the phone will lock. Okay. And it will stay like that. So pretty good. So let's remove it and let's go to the bike. Do not forget this bolt. You need to thread. Never forget to have a little cloth to put stuff on. Let's see. So this goes there, this goes there. We could do it like this. Do it like that. Probably like this. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I prefer it like this. So let's tighten this. Let's ensure this is vertically. Remember, guys, this should not be over tightened because it will damage your steering. So just do it normally. So then you put this bolt back in place. It comes from this side, and you just thread it back. Oh, forgot. You need to put this first. So put it like that, and then you thread it. We will need to check. So like this. So like this. Or like this. Yeah. So we will do it sideways, like so. So yeah. Second panel. Let's tighten it. So first this one, then this one. Okay. And since I want it to face to me, I will change it like this. So I either go like this, no, I go like this. Like this. Way better. And that's it, guys. It's on. That's just the back of the center of the paddocks, and I'll sit and check. Final checks. Yeah, prefer it like this. So we don't have a breaker. This changes things, so I need to put it on the other orientation. So if it's to go on the other orientation. So guys, welcome back. I just switched the position because the Aprilia app has no portrait no landscape orientation, so it's basically useless like that, and it's not aligned. I need to tighten it a little bit more, but yeah, it will be like this, maybe. So we have signals, no problem. Yeah, it clears the key, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you.